Repairing your credit can feel overwhelming, but Credit Glory promises to simplify the process. I tested it, and here's my honest experience before you decide to use it. Credit Glory is an online credit repair service that helps identify errors on your credit report and disputes them on your behalf. They offer a free consultation to analyze your credit report and highlight accounts or inquiries that may be harming your score. The process is simple. After signing up, you submit your credit reports, and the team creates a personalized action plan. They can challenge inaccurate items like late payments, collections, or duplicates. The platform also provides educational resources to improve your financial habits long term. Most people get this wrong. Credit repair services cannot remove legitimate debts. If an account is accurate, it will stay on your report until it naturally falls off. Credit Glory's strength is in identifying errors and guiding users through disputes effectively. Pricing is subscription-based, with monthly fees until the disputes are resolved or your credit improves. The service is convenient for those who don't have time or confidence to manage disputes themselves, but you must stay engaged and provide documentation promptly. In conclusion, Credit Glory is a useful tool if you want professional support for credit disputes and guidance on improving your score. It's not magic, but it saves time and ensures errors are properly challenged. Subscribe for more honest finance tool reviews and tips to take control of your credit score.